Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Football Manager Mobile. To begin, select a club that aligns with your managerial style, perhaps one with a strong youth academy or a healthy transfer budget. Carefully review your squad's strengths and weaknesses using the detailed reports provided. Then, establish a core tactical philosophy that complements your players' skills, aiming for a cohesive team unit from day one. This foundational work is crucial for once your club is chosen, dive into tactical mastery. Create a main tactic and at least one backup formation to adapt to different opponents or match situations. Customize your training schedules to target specific player attributes, like passing or tackling, for overall team improvement. Remember to assign individual training to players, focusing on their specific roles and developing key skills to maximize their potential on the pitch. With the core tools in place, a good mod manager is your best friend. Programs like Mod Organizer 2 or Vortex make installing, updating, and organizing your mods incredibly simple. They help prevent conflicts and keep your game stable. After setting up your mods, remember this vital step. Always launch Fallout 4 using the F4SE executable, not the standard game launcher. This ensures that the script extender and achievement enabler are active, allowing your mods and achievements to coexist peacefully. On match day, your decisions are critical. Observe the game closely and make real-time tactical adjustments, such as changing mentality or player roles, to counter your opponent. Use your 3 substitutions wisely to introduce fresh legs, change the game's dynamic, or protect a lead. Beyond the pitch, focus on player development, send promising youngsters on loan for experience, and pair them with experienced mentors to accelerate their growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.